Look at this. That is insane.
This is the Goye 3500 ANSI 65 watt audio outdoor 4K projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. First thoughts, it is really nice. Now, I am about 10 feet away here. I'm in my basement and very little light down there. For best results, they do suggest to use in a dark environment. Also, remember that a brighter projector is going to make more noise, but it's not going to ruin your experience. This comes with plenty of really nice apps, as you can see on the screen. It looks good, it's clear. The speaker on this is okay. It will definitely do fine if that's all you have, but I do suggest if you have a good Bluetooth speaker to add that to this. One of the best features is the autofocus auto Keystone. People don't think about that. As I showed at the beginning, it does them both and it does it really quick, and that makes life easy. So you'll be very happy to have those features, and it does it well. You can also do it manually if you want. This does have the latest Wi-Fi 6 and two-way Bluetooth 5.2, so you can connect your devices directly to this, screen share, whatever you need to do. You can also use HDMI. The attached stand is going to allow you to protect this on any type of wall, anywhere, even the wall above you. Finally, 1-year replacement, 3-year repair, and lifetime technical support. So if you have any issues, just contact them directly or through Amazon, and they are going to take care of you.